In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to change Google Maps voice. Let's start by opening the Google Maps on your device. Next, tap your profile icon on the upper right corner. In the pop-up menu, select Settings. Next, scroll down and tap Navigation. In the navigation page, select Voice Selection. Now, select what voice you want. You can scroll down under the All Voices and see the language that you prefer and simply tap it. It will automatically set the voice when speaking the directions, but if not, then you can try to restart your Google Maps and then see the changes. Now, you can also try to do this one. Go back to the Google Maps settings and then open the app language option. Next, select the app language that you prefer, and once you're ready to change your language, then simply tap it and it will automatically set it for you, and it will also change the voice when reading the directions to you. And that's about it.